G'day folks, welcome to an OCC Queensland Weather App. Today the 7th of the 1st, 2023. My name's Chris Nitzo. This update brought to you by a major sponsor, TownsvilleSheds.com. Check them out if you're in the market for a shed-safe, accredited shed. Alright, we've got a low pressure system that's being labelled a tropical cyclone now by the JTWC. Not quite as such at the time of publication of this video from the Bureau of Meteorology because it doesn't quite meet their standards. But the JTWC, it does meet and exceed their standards. So therefore, it is a tropical cyclone 07P pushing away to the east-southeast. This is the same low that got off the coast around the Townsville-Ingham district yesterday. Has now pushed east-southeast and has developed sharply overnight into this morning. As far as intensity goes, system's expected to remain at the lower end of the intensity scale and track just to the south of New Caledonia. Be aware on that northeastern side, chance for gales exceeding or extending a little further northeastwards compared to the other quadrants. So once again, just outside of the gale radius, New Caledonia. But if you've got friends and family there, just let them know that there is a little bit of a depression pushing to the southwest of them. And should be closest point of approach to New Caledonia, a few hundred kilometres away, and tomorrow. Over the past 24 hours, thanks to the Bureau of Meteorology, we can see that the heaviest falls have been out here in the northern parts of Cape York Peninsula and northwestern parts of Cape York Peninsula. You can see Weipa, 237 millimetres, Sherger Base, 250 millimetres, what's this place, Southwell, 105, and out here on the northern Cape, 148 at Moreton. Up there in also Horn Island, the Torres Strait has received some gusty showers and thunderstorms over the last 24 hours as well, 118 millimetres recorded there. Some nice falls up around Cairns Way as well. And some junk activity creating some shower activity across the eastern interior and the eastern ranges, and quite a few showers around the Mackay with Sundays region with the offshore passage of tropical cyclone 07P. Right, rainfalls between now and tomorrow morning. Between when we speak tomorrow morning, we can see significant showers and thunderstorms continuing across the Cape York Peninsula region. Notice also increasing rainfall potentially across the North Tropical Coast, Tablelands region, and through the northern interior. Although the further south we go, the more patchy things become, the more isolated things become. Maybe a couple of isolated showers also on around the northeast coastline north of Townsville. And a few showers around the hinterland regions and close to the coastline around central and northeast Queensland. But overall, the big areas of rain and storms to watch over the next 24 hours going to be up around the Cape and far north Queensland. So we do see some of that potential for rainfall drifting southwards, some of that potential for heavy rainfall drifting southwards over the next 24 hours. Particularly this afternoon and evening, we're looking at some pretty heavy rain coming out of some showers and thunderstorms out there. Showers and storms also through northwest Queensland, as I've mentioned, and pushing even just to the south of Mount Isa as well. Obviously, with winds around Tropical Cyclone 07P, we can see south-southeasterlies around 15 to 25 knots on the southwestern side of the system. Notice that winds across North Queensland decreasing through the day today. It was actually starting not too bad today after a very windy day yesterday. Also, you'll notice the northwesterlies are still cranking up there across the Cape region. So not great conditions to boat unless you're in northern Queensland and particularly closer inshore in North Queensland. A lot of interesting weather across the state next week, so head over to join.ozcyclonechasers.com.au if you'd like to find out more about that. We'll talk again in the morning. Have a good day.